1. Allow the handle to charge a full 24 hours before it's first used. The handle could be left on the charger at all times to ensure constant charge. Removes up to 2x more plaque than a manual toothbrush. Includes one E-Series brush head 9 standard. Patented sonic technology, dynamic fluid action helps clean between teeth and along the gum line. 2-minute timer helps ensure recommended brushing time. 2. Painless facial hair removal. It's painless, efficient, and instant. Remove unwanted hair from lips, chin, eyebrows, and cheeks without worries. Create smooth canvas for smooth makeup application. Remove peach fuzz and fine hairs on face for an absolutely flawless look. Highest safety standards. The hypoallergenic design protects the most sensitive skin from any irritation, making this the ideal electric shaver. Lovely compact packaging. The cordless and discreet design allows you to conveniently shave in any room at any time. The hair is trapped inside of the shaver and can be removed easily when full. An LED light makes sure you never miss a hair. Money back guarantee. For any reason you are not satisfied with our painless hair remover, please let us know and we'll instantly refund 100% of your money. 3. Product name, hair clip, material, plastic, metal. Size, 8 by 0.5 by 1.1 centimeters, 3.14 inches by 0.2 inches by 0.4 inches, LWT. Color, pink, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. Package content, 10x hair clips. For all hair types, the colors we will send at random, fast delivery, shipped from USA. 4. Anti-blackhead and unclog pores, liquid carbon, in the form of fine particles deep into your pore, adsorption pores of makeup residues, toxins, more effective removal of the face blackhead, grease and acne, unclog and shrink your pores, remove dead skin from your face. Enhance skin elasticity and tighten skin, contain volcanic mud and charcoal powder, can powerful penetrate into your skin, deep cleansing the pore, reduce wrinkles and tighten the skin, rejuvenate the cells, keep your skin healthier and more beautiful. 5. Hair protection. When the hair curler works, it will release large amounts of negative ions with the tourmaline ceramic technology, which reduces the damage to the hair and make your hair healthier, natural and hair shape more lasting, shiny forever. Fast heating. This beautiful pink 3-barrel hair waver heats up very fast, usually can heat up in about 60 seconds. Adjustable temperature. When the 3-barrel curling iron heats up, you can adjust the temperature from 80 to 210. 176 410 which is displayed on the LCD screen. Just choose the right temperature. 6. Natural mild ingredients. Includes 4 different flavors, containing rose, chamomile, lavender and honey-based ingredients, 10 wax applicator sticks. No stimulation and no poison. The Easy Clean Wax Warmer Pot allows you to wax easily and efficiently. Professional and technical. This professional wax warmer uses state-of-the-art engineering to heat wax quickly and evenly, which will only take you 8 to 10 minutes to melt wax. Get peace of mind with high temperature technology that automatically shuts off the wax warmer if the temperature to 2. Safety ABS material. Upgraded durable ABS heat assistant material, high quality temperature resistant plastic. Supports a wide range of temperatures from 160 to 240. No scalding hazard, saves energy and safe to use. We strive to provide only best service to our clients. Your health and beauty is our priority. Heats all wax types. Heats all wax types such as hard wax, soft wax, paraffin wax, cream wax and keeps wax at a constant ready-to-use temperature. Perfect wax warmer for the beauty professional who performs minimal waxing services or have limited counter space. Ideal waxing kit for at-home use. Great effective. Great for use on short and coarse hair on face or body. Removes 99% of unwanted body hair from your eyebrows, arms, armpits, bikini area and legs, leaving your skin clean and soft from head to toe. Hair grows evenly and much smoother look when you get in the routine of waxing. 7. Coconut charcoal. Activated coconut charcoal has the highest adsorption capacity that can whiten your teeth, make your smile wider and brighter and achieve the best results in removing stains. Besides, activated coconut charcoal are benefit to remove leftover residue easily. 100% natural and organic. Activated coconut charcoal powder is 100% natural, 100% vegan ingredients that contain no harmful chemicals, fluoride, hydrogen peroxide and artificial colors. Non-abrasive. This teeth whitener is gentle for your enamel and gums. 8. Safe and effective. Are you tired of clearing acne, blackheads, blemishes? Or trying many products that have no effect? It's time to use our blackhead remover and the deep cleansing facial mask. Natural and organic, with the latest technology of skincare sciences, our product carefully collects safe and effective ingredients. It has been proved to be very effective in treating common skin problems like oily skin, clearing acne. Directions: A. Clean your face with warm water to open pores. B. Apply blackhead mask on desired parts, avoid the eyes, eyebrows and lip areas. C. Wait for 15-20 minutes or until fully dry and then gently peel it off. Clean face. Our new blackhead remover mask is a comprehensive formulation which is effective in anti-aging, reducing wrinkles and blemish, oily skin, strawberry nose, large pores, blackheads. It is suitable for all people, no matter man or woman. Satisfaction guarantee. Our blackhead mask has certified by the FDA and GMP standards. If you're not 100% satisfied with our products, please notify us, and we'll issue you a full refund. 9. Activated Blackhead charcoal, infused in every bristle, which helps remove plague, fight bacteria buildup, and whiten teeth. Eliminate bad breath and cavities. Take advantage of the absorption power of Blackhead charcoal. Effectively get between teeth while the bristles absorb all antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral buildup on your gums and teeth. Soft bristles and ergonomic design protect your gums from scratching or bleeding unlike most hard Blackhead brushes. Perfect for sensitive gums. And a slip handle to ensure optimal brushing speed and enable maximum reach to all teeth. Longer lasting toothbrush. Softer bristles mean the bristles stay intact and don't fall out and break off between your teeth while brushing. This means these brushes will last twice as long as your normal toothbrush. Risk-free guarantee. If these toothbrushes don't give you the absolute best manual brushing experience you've ever had, then let us know and we'll refund your money. No questions asked. 24/7 customer service. Buy with confidence. 10. Make your teeth squeaky clean as you use this toothbrush. Your teeth will be as neat as ever because it features with waveform design to adapt your teeth shape that will not only clean the surface of your teeth but also clean in between your teeth. Enjoy comfortable brushing experience. This brush has been tested and proven to be 100% perfect for you to use. The extra soft bristles protect your sensitive gums from bleeding or scratching, so you will never be injured as you brush your teeth.